You can easily generate AI images, but when it comes time to convert them into videos, all the image-to-video AI tools available in the market are either paid or, if by mistake you find a free tool, the temp mail doesn't work. But don't worry. Absolutely no need to worry, because in this video, I'm going to tell you about not one, not two, but 5 brand new AI tools that you can use to generate high-quality videos like this within minutes. And yes, TempMail works with all these tools, meaning we can generate as many videos as we want. And that too completely free. At the end of the video, I'll also share an amazing trick that will allow you to easily remove large watermarks with a single click. First, I'll open TempMail in a new tab because all the tools will require TempMail. If you know how to use TempMail correctly, then you can skip to the next chapter. If not, after opening the TempMail site, first click on the delete option and you'll get a brand new email address which you can copy from here. Then, on whichever site you use this email, you'll receive a verification mail or OTP here, which you can easily verify from here. So, our first tool is called Video Maker. I'll provide the link in the description box. So from there, you need to open it and click on the sign-in option, then click on sign up and sign up using TempMail. Then paste whatever verification code you receive here, enter the password and sign up. You'll then see an interface like this where you can convert images to video, and both text to video features are available. And you can generate videos as long or as short as you like. Here you need to upload an image, select the correct aspect ratio and type a nice prompt. Now you can see the quality of the video with your own eyes. Yes, there is a watermark here, but we can remove it with just one click. Watch till the end to find out how to remove it. Again, I pasted the same prompt in text to video and generated it. And there is no compromise in quality. The reason behind such high quality is that all these videos are generated using the latest model from Luma Labs. You can easily download the video by clicking on the 3 dots. So now our next tool is called VibHuggum AI, where TempMail will work smoothly. You simply need to click on the Continue with Email option. Then create an account using TempMail. This tool will show you this page. Besides image to video and text to video, there are many different features, but we are here just to generate videos. So simply upload an image and generate the video from here. There are many options like model, seed, and duration. You can set these settings as per your preference. Personally, I found the video quality to be very impressive because at this time, you won't find such high quality videos for free anywhere else. Now to try text to video once, I'll paste the same prompt again. Then check out its result once. It looks exactly the same. Now, if the first tool was good, this one is even better. But that's not all, because the tool coming next is even better. It's about to happen, but before that, let me remind you that if the video seems boring, you might see a subscribe button below. You can play with it. It's not mandatory, but you can if you want. Now, the name of our next tool is Clipify. I'm calling it excellent because it contains all the tools you might need within a single tool. But we don't have time to explore so many tools right now, so we'll directly jump into the AI video generator tool. Now, it has text to video and image to video features along with an extra feature, text to image to video. This means you can generate an image and convert that image into a video. So first, I'll upload an image, then from here we can select the number of videos. I only need one video, so I'll select one. And on the left side, there are some basic settings and a prompt box where we need to type a prompt according to the image. Then when we generate, it might take some time, and you can see that our video looks quite good. And the good thing is that it doesn't have a watermark. It's like icing on the cake. Now to generate another video, you'll have to click on New here. But this time, we'll test the text to video feature. So I'll paste any prompt and keep the basic settings as they are and generate it. So this video also looks quite good because the key points I mentioned in the prompt were well understood and the video was generated accordingly. So next, the text to image to video feature is quite interesting because with this we can create stories with consistency. First, generate an image by typing a text prompt. And after the image is generated, you need to select the image you want to convert into a video from here and generate it. So overall, this tool is quite helpful for AI creators like us. I'll provide its link in the description and you can check it out from there. Now, next on our list, the tool is called DGen. First, we'll register with a temporary email, and after registration, we get 300 credits, which allows us to convert about 10 images into videos. To upload an image, you need to click on the Upload button from the left row, and in the middle row, there's a prompt box. So here you need to type a prompt, and after applying all the settings, there's an option to generate in the last row. It takes 30 credits for one video, meaning you can calculate how many videos you can make from a single account. As for the video quality, you can see for yourself. So I don't need to say much more. Now, one last tool, and then I'll tell you how to remove the watermark from the video. The last tool on our list is called Meta AI. To access it, we first need to open the official website of meta.ai. Then, after that, you need to log in with either Facebook or Instagram. And now, if you simply type an image prompt here and generate, you will never get images. So the solution is that you need to write generate image before all prompts. Otherwise, you'll face this problem every time. After the images are generated, simply click on the image you want to convert into a video. Then you'll see an animate option here. Click on it, and your image will be converted into a video in just a few seconds. And if you want to convert all images into videos at once, then you need to sync. You need to back up, and here you'll find an animate option. By clicking on it, you can animate all the images together. Then, when you click on video, there will be an option to download it. So now, finally, I'm going to reveal the tool that lets you remove large watermarks with just a single click. The name of that tool is Media.io. And the fun part is that TempMail works here too, meaning you can create as many accounts as you want. After creating an account, you need to click on the Edit option and open this watermark remover tool. Then click on Remove Watermark and upload the video here. And then, here you'll find an option to adjust the brush size according to your watermark size, and then you just paint over the watermark like this. Then, when you click on Remove Objects Now, after some time, your video will be ready in high quality, and the watermark will be covered up so well that no one will even know there was a watermark there before, and we can download it for free. So kids, let me tell you something important. All these tools are currently working with TempMail, but it might happen that after this video is uploaded, some sites might permanently ban TempMail because this has happened with many tools before. So you don't need to worry at all, because I'll provide you with new tools at the right time. So, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it quickly. Alright, see you in the next video. Until then, bye.